Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for a pressure washer, Karcher is the way to go. So this is the K5 Power Control Pressure Washer. It is amazing. It is so powerful. So it has a max pressure of 2,500 PSI, which basically just means that it blasts through the dirt and grime. It's super easy to put together, assembles in just a few minutes, and it's very intuitive, so it's simple to use. It comes with two different wands. The one is a nice spray, perfect for any general washing. You can also combine it with the soap that it comes with, and so you can have a really nice clean, and then of course power blast all of the dirt off once it's been washed. Second handle is a DirtBlaster. It's a super direct stream and it has that spiral pattern so that it really blasts through the dirt. So we used the first nozzle originally on this bucket, but you can see how all of that rust and stuff came right off when we switched nozzles. It's got a super long hose, so that gives you a lot of freedom. It also has an extendable handle and wheels, so it's easy to cart around. The handle has a display so you can see just how much pressure you're using, and of course that's completely adjustable. I just love how simple it is to use, but what an incredible job it does. It seriously has stepped up our outdoor cleaning game so much. We just love this little machine, and I'm sure you will too, and that's my point of view.